we divide 581 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this 8 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 1 and it is 31. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 581 divided by 5 is 116 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.